Hi, salut YouTube. Today I am doing something different. Today I am cooking. This is what I'm cooking today. Okay? Alright. And I'm cooking with my friend. Yeah. In French, shrimp is the crevette. The crevette, I'm gonna put it in the pot. And I have some ingredients over here. This ingredient that I'm gonna put on the shrimp. Alright? And in French, to put, you say mettre. So I'm gonna put some ingredient here. Alright? The garlic. Do you leave it like that? You don't like
that.
you put it like that? Why don't you like, I don't know how to say in English.
Ça c'est fait.
Je mets de l'huile maintenant. C'est bon?
Le sel.
Et le sel.
Oui.
I did put that.
You did?
Ouais.
Okay.
Maintenant on mélange.
Oui, oui. C'est bon.
All right, and so we are done cooking. We are eating now, and my other friend don't want to be on camera, so it's just me and Farida that you guys are gonna see the whole time. Yeah, it's the three of us, and we're eating our food, and
when we ate, and yeah.
I ate.
I didn't eat. I wasn't eating. I didn't want you guys to see me chewing food, so that's why I didn't eat. Right? And that is all that we have for today. Thanks for watching French Learning with Vandi.